Hello everybody, my name is Dean Remington. I'm a FSR for Channel in Southern Indiana. Today we're going to talk a little bit about counting soybean populations. We got off to a great start this spring, had great growing conditions early, but then we hit a little bit of a snag, and with some weather, was cold and wet. So there's a lot of determination being made right now on do I keep these beans or I do some replants, and being able to count the correct populations is part of that. So first, what I like to do, we're on 15-inch rows here in our beans, and so I like to use a tape measure in 15-inch rows. And basically, you want to measure out 17 feet 5 inches. Once you've stretched your tape out, the 17 feet 5 inches, you go along and you count both rows on either side of that tape. So you're going to count 2 rows of the 17 feet 5 inches. So I've already went through and counted this row. We're at 121,000. I counted 121 plants, so you multiply that by 1,000, because this is a thousandth of an acre, to get what that final population would be. So we're good with that count here on the desired with this bean. So that's what we'll do. Now, one thing you want to be sure of is that you take several counts through the field and take them randomly. A lot of times I'll take this little digger I have and I'll just throw it in the field, and wherever it lands, that's where I do my count. We like it random. Make sure you're visiting good spots and bad spots in the field so we can really get a good average. Another method that we like to also use to count soybeans at times is the hula hoop method. I think everyone's aware of. We can do this on 15-inch rows as well, and this works probably the best when we're doing drilled beans as well. But what you do is you just randomly toss that hula hoop, let it land in the field. You want to make sure on 15s you're over 2 rows. So then I'll go in here and I'll count these plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 130,000, because this is a factor of 10,000 in our hula hoop, and there's different guides that will show you that. So thank you today for taking a little time for an agronomy break.